Hey guys, welcome to today's video. On this video, I'm going to show you how to pin a post on WhatsApp. Now, when you pin a post on WhatsApp, this is going to be on the top area of the chat section. Now, let's dive into that. So open your WhatsApp area and then open just about any chat. Now, let me assume this particular post. I think I already pinned that. So let me go ahead and go to a different post. Now, these two posts, I have multiple posts right here. So let me go ahead and pin this particular one. So to pin a post, click and hold, and it's going to display you an information. Now, on the top area, you can see three-dotted icon right there. You click on it. Now, when you click that three-dotted icon, you see option to pin a post. Just select pin a post. Now, you can choose how long you want this post to remain pinned. Now, I'm going to do 24 hours, and then I'm going to pin it. Now, you can notice on this top area, the post has been pinned. Even though I scroll to the bottom and I click on that pin post, it's going to take me to that area. Or go to the top and click on the pin post, is going to take me to that area. And now let me assume I pin another post. Let's assume this one, and then the same thing, pin and choose whichever how long. Now 24 hours. Now if you click, it is going to take you to the last pin post, and you click again, it's going to take you to the next one. This is exactly how pin posts work, and whenever you want to remove them, it's as easy as clicking and holding. When you click and hold, you are going to see an option to say unpin. Now, if you do not want to take that process, you can actually click and hold here, click on the three-dotted icon, and you will see unpin. But if you are unsure of the particular post that you want to unpin, all you just need to do is deselect everything, click and hold on the pinned section, and then you are going to see unpin. You choose the unpin and it will be unpinned. Let me unpin everything. Now I do not have anything unpinned. You can now notice this place is empty. When you scroll up, nothing is there. So now this is how to pin and unpin a post on WhatsApp. So I hope this video is helpful. If it did, don't forget to smash like, and if you have further question, leave it on the comment section. I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and also enable the notification. See you guys. Stay safe and peace.